So in this video, I'm going to share 4 tips on what to look for when choosing affiliate products to promote. And by the end of the video, you'll have a clear understanding of what the 4 key factors you should consider. I'm Paula Walker and I'm absolutely passionate about affiliate marketing. So if you want to learn more about this business model, then consider subscribing to my channel for more videos on this topic. So when I first started my online journey, I think that most newbies online also make the same mistake. I just went out there and I looked for the highest paying commission product. And I actually didn't consider any of the following factors that I'm actually going to be laying out for you just now. And that's exactly why I failed so miserably. So I can really speak from experience, and I'm going to advise you to spend some time on this and do your homework before you just go out there and start selling anything. You know, these tips could actually save you a lot of time and a lot of money in the long run. So one thing I would also just suggest you always do is try out your product before you promote it. So let's get started. Tip number 1. The key to finding the perfect product for your audience is understanding what they're interested in and what challenges they are facing. So it's all about meeting their needs and providing solutions to their problems. So take the time to do some research and find out what their pain points are, and look for products that not only resonate with your audience but also help them solve their problems, and find something that they are genuinely interested in, and it'll just help make the whole selling process so much easier. And remember, it's all about connecting with your audience and offering them real value. So tip number 2, when searching for products to promote, it's crucial to not only consider how much money you'll earn per sale, but also pay attention to the cookie duration. The cookie duration refers to how long your affiliate link will remain active after a user clicks on it. So why is this important? Well, let's say someone clicks on your affiliate link but doesn't make a purchase right away. If the cookie duration is short, let's say just 24 hours, you won't earn any commission if they make a purchase after that specific time. So on the other hand, if the cookie duration is for longer, for example 30 days or 60 days, you have a higher chance of earning commission if they make a purchase within that time frame. So my advice to you is always check how much money you'll earn per sale and how long your affiliate link will be active. And tip number 3, make sure you promote good quality products and team up with trustworthy companies. Now, if you promote low quality stuff, it can really seriously harm your reputation, and people, they won't trust you anymore, and that's not something that you want. So I urge you to be careful and choose to work with companies that are known for their excellent product and reputation. And remember, trust is everything in this industry. So let's prioritize quality and make sure we partner with trustworthy companies. So tip number 4, finally, it's important to have the right marketing stuff and help from the affiliate program. A good affiliate program will always give you things like banners, email templates, and help to make it easier for you to promote their product. And these things can make your marketing job so much easier and help you make more money in the long run. So it's not just about saving time and effort, but also making your affiliate marketing work better. So when you pick an affiliate program, make sure that you have good marketing material and enough help to help you reach your goal. So there you have it, 4 essential tips to keep in mind when selecting affiliate products. By considering these factors, you'll make smarter choices and increase your chances of affiliate marketing success. So remember, affiliate marketing is all about building trust and delivering value to your audience. So choose wisely, work hard, and watch your commissions grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.